channel. Today we're going to be making pizza dough. It's a real easy recipe that I found on the bread flour. This is the bread flour that I use. It's called an Arrowhead Mills. It has a recipe on the back. It's really simple and it's one of the best recipes that we've tried so far. So let's begin. Alright, so to begin we're going to mix our yeast with the water and we're going to add a tablespoon of sugar. So let's open this up. Want to open the bread flour? I'll do. Okay, I had a little bit of a pause because I didn't know what an ounce of yeast was in teaspoons. But it does say 1 packet and I searched up 1 packet, so it's 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast. 1 teaspoon and this is 1/4 teaspoon. We're going to put into our warm water. Pour it right in there. 1 more, another teaspoon. You can make it a little bit more full because the other one was just under. Good, very good. Shake it off, tap it in here, and then you're going to take 1/4 teaspoon. Great, okay. We're going to mix that up, and we're going to add a tablespoon of sugar. Go ahead and mix it. Okay. We're going to mix it up, and then we're going to set it aside. It's going to foam up. Okay, right here. We'll put that aside. So next we're going to take 3 1/4 cups of bread flour and we're going to measure it in here. And Catherine's going to help me. I know you're going to make a mess, but it's okay. This is the only time I'm allowing her to make a mess, and it's okay. Scoop it up like this, okay, until it's full. I'm going to do the first one, okay? Okay, so it's not packed because we're not weighing this. We're just going to measure it. And the flour is not compact. Look, so now look, see, I know mommy has a lot, right? So I'm just gonna level it off with the knife. See? And that's 1. That's 1, right? We're gonna do 2 more of those. Keep on going, it's okay. Oh, let's not rip up our recipe in the back. Can you level it off? Hold on, wait, move this out of the way. Good job. Pour it right in, and that's what, number 2. Okay. It takes a little longer when you have a kid helping you. All right, go ahead. Number 3. We need 3 1/4 cups. Oh. Mm-hmm. You're doing a good job, Catherine. It's okay. Okay, and then you're going to do the 1/4 cup.
Like
that's 3, correct?
Like half of it?
Oh, there's another measuring cup there.
This one?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Oop. Oh, you gotta scoop it. You gotta use a spoon to scoop it. I know our like instinct is to just go ahead and scoop it up. Okay, good. Go ahead and take the knife now, the butter knife, and level it off. Very good. Dump that in. Okay. Wonderful. Thank you, Catherine. Now we're gonna do the next step. All right, next we're gonna add a teaspoon of salt. Okay, pour it right in there. We're gonna mix it. Let me get a whisk. Okay, good job. Okay, so look at our yeast. Our yeast has poofed, or they call it proofed, right? You see all the foam on top? Now we're gonna add oil. So what I'll do is I just add a tablespoon of oil in here, and I'll do this one, okay, Catherine? This is extra virgin olive oil, and a tablespoon of that. You can actually add more if you want. I've done it before. Keep mixing. can put your hand lower here, lower, lower, because it'll be harder to mix when your hand is up on the top of the handle. You can do it slow. I don't care, you can let go. I'm gonna mix this side. Your hand hurts? Oh, your hand hurts? I added a tablespoon of water to this. I just felt like the dough was a little dry. Okay, let's see. The dough's been kneading for about 6 minutes. It still breaks. Let's see, maybe I'll knead it for a couple more minutes. So the dough has been kneading for about 8 minutes. I think that's enough. Let's see. It doesn't stretch as much as I want it to be, but I think I'll stop here. So the dough's pretty soft. It's smooth enough for me. I'm not perfect, but I'll leave it like this. I'm gonna just oil the bowl and I'll let it rise. Put a little oil in the bowl. Just a little bit. Oh, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's too much. All right, go ahead and cover that. Here, can you mix it in there? Spread it in the bowl. The dough is not perfectly smooth. Oops, your hair. But again, I'm okay with it. And then we're just gonna coat the bread with a little oil too. And we're gonna let it rise for an hour. Okay, we're gonna cover that up, and then we're gonna put it in our oven. I put my oven on for about 200 degrees for about 5 minutes, and I'm gonna leave it in there and let it rise. So this is what it looks like before it has risen, and then we'll see it later. Okay, so it's been an hour. I already took a peek at the dough, and I may have overproofed it because it's flat. It still stretches, but you see how it deflated? It's okay, it'll work out. Let's put it on our pizza pan. Hold on, hold on. Whoa, it really stretches. I think last time I did this, I used 2 pans. I think this is gonna make a lot of pizza. But I think this is gonna make a lot of pizza. All right, you know what? It's late in the night, and I do want a nice big crust. We're gonna make it just one. Oh my gosh, look. It's over.
But it feels like it's gonna make your hands sticky, but it's not.
Serena, you wanna help out?
What do you want me to do?
We're just gonna pull. Well, let's see. Let's put some garlic powder, salt on here to give it a nice flavor. Okay, I don't want to push. All right, that's good. I think it needs a little bit more salt. Let's put some garlic powder. Watch your hand. Ready? Serena, want to do it? No?
Nice.
All right, let's get this out of the way.
Nice.
Hold this. Oh, watch out. This just gives the crust an extra flavor. I'm gonna put some, okay. Let's put some Italian seasoning. Whoa, I think I put a lot. Watch out, watch out.
No, I want some.
and just a little bit more salt. Alright, so I already preheated the oven to 425. What I do is I put this in the oven and I bake it halfway, and then I take it out and then I put the pizza sauce and then the cheese. It's going to go in the oven for about 5 minutes so the dough can get a little crusted on the bottom. Alright, so here's the pizza. It was in the oven for about 5 minutes or less. And now we're going to put our spaghetti sauce and our toppings. The girls already finished the pepperoni, so we will only have sauce and cheese. We're just going to make this a plain pizza. I used the Rinaldi spaghetti sauce for this pizza sauce, but I prefer the sweet and tasty flavor. This is just meat flavor. This is what I have, so this is what I'm going to use. Just spread it on there. Does that look good? That crust is already so thick. Oh, I think I'm putting too much now. Hold on. You don't need too much spaghetti sauce. Okay. Put it over here. I like more sauce and over the crust actually. All right, that looks good, right? Now we're going to add a little bit of more garlic on top. Yummy. And then we're going to add some more Italian seasoning. And a little bit more salt. So we're just flavoring every layer of this pizza. And now the cheese. You want to help out with the cheese? Good. Grab a handful. And we're just going to spread it. I'm going to go to the other side. Don't drop the cheese. And we like a lot of cheese.
Cheese is yummy.
Now we're going to put it back in the oven.
No.
The direction says about 25 minutes, but we put it already in the oven for about 5. We're going to go put it in the oven for as long as it needs to. I'll let you know how much time it took. Back in the oven, I'll let you know how much time it took. Pizza's done. Let's put it on the table. So here is the cooked homemade pizza. It looks delicious. The cheese is just perfectly brown. And then I'm going to have my taste tester tell me how good it tastes. Be careful. Catherine already got burned. Just got to move it away. You're okay? Alright. Ooh, which piece do you want? Oh,
This one right here.
Not a good cutter. You're supposed to fart after the cheese, not before the cheese.
No. I fart anyway.
It's very crusty.
Very.
I don't think I'm cutting through the bottom.
Because it's very thick.
Alright, we'll cut it one more time over here. Okay. I might have to cut it a little bit more. I usually don't make my pizza this thick. I use half this dough. But because it's late, we just want to get it done. I use the whole thing, and I think it's a little bit too much and crispy. Got it? Come on. Come on over. Come on over. There we go. Oh, I think I got it here. Thank you. Ooh. So look. Is that on camera? It is kind of crispy in the back.
Dude,
looks good.
I want.
Tell me what you
Is it
think.
hot?
Of course it's hot. It just came out. told you it was hot.
Yeah.
Let me cut it for you. Watch out. I'll cut it for you over here, make it thinner. I think the bottom might be a little bit too crispy. I had it on the lower rack for most of the time, and then I put it to the middle rack. Here. A little bite. Careful. Cheese is hot. Ooh. How does it taste? I want this part.
It's good, but I think I added too much cheese.
Too cheesy? Can a pizza be too cheesy?
Yes. Yes, it can.
I don't know if you can hear that. It's a little bit too crispy for me. Oh.
It's good. Just it's too cheesy and it doesn't taste as if it has much tomato sauce.
Oh, okay. All right. We have to make adjustments, but the dough itself is pretty good. You can maybe just use half the dough and make 2 pizzas.
I think that the cheese will cover in the tomato sauce. Maybe that's why.
On another vlog, I'll show you where we make 2 pizzas out of this dough. It's good. And it might need just a little bit more salt. Okay, so that sums it up for today's pizza. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and that helps us our channel. And I will see you again next time. Bye. Is it good? My oldest son likes it too.